Next, we'll look at radio buttons. Okay, so the difference between the chat buttons and the radio buttons is that the radio buttons allow you to only choose one of all the options. Okay, the chat buttons, you can choose each and every one of the chat buttons. Okay, so for all of these, they are similar to what we have done to create the windows. Okay, so the only difference is that for radio buttons, we have to use either the integer variable or can use string variables, or you can use any other type of variables as well. Okay, so of course, to make it easier to understand, we put in the label for it. Okay, and we create two radio buttons. Okay, gender, so male and female. So for the variable, actually we use only one of the variable because you can only choose one of the many. Okay, and of course, to make it uh, easy, the value I will put in as a 1 and 2. Okay, so I know that 1 is a male and 2 is the female. Okay, and this you can actually write uh, a comment, okay, to the fellow programmers to let them know that if they get v equals to 1, it means that it's a male. So v1 is male. Okay, so v equals to is female. So this is just a comment to let your fellow project mates know that you are using numbers to represent the different genders. And of course, we will pack them together and run the main loop. Okay, so in the window here, you can see that, okay, I have the label here, then I have the male and the female chat buttons. So you can see that every time I click on one of them, the other will disappear because you can only use or choose one of the different options. So if they have 10 of them, you still can only choose one. So that is the slight difference between the chat buttons and the radio buttons.